All right, let's get right into it. We're going to tackle one of the biggest questions in AI development right now, choosing your vector database. We're putting three heavyweights head-to-head, Pinecone, FAISS, and Weaviate. So you're building a RAG system, right? Or maybe a slick semantic search engine, or any of these new AI apps, and bam, you hit this wall. Which one do you choose? And this decision, it's a big deal. It's going to define how fast your app is, how well it scales, and honestly, how much time your team spends fighting with infrastructure instead of, building cool features. And let's be honest, the options out there can be kind of dizzying. You've got libraries, managed services, open source platforms. It's a lot. So our goal here is simple. In the next few minutes, we're going to give you a clear, straightforward way to pick the perfect tool for your specific job. Okay, so let's meet the big three. Each one of these has its own personality, its own philosophy, and really serves a totally different need in the AI world. First up is Pinecone. The best way to think about Pinecone is it's the easy button. It's a fully managed cloud-native service. Its entire reason to exist is to just hide all that back-end complexity so you can get your app into production fast. Next, we've got FAISS. That's FAISS, which stands for Facebook AI Similarity Search. Now listen, the most important thing to get here is that FAISS is a library. It's not a full-on database. It's more like a raw, super optimized engine built by Meta for one thing and one thing only, blazing fast similarity search. And rounding out our trio is Weaviate. Weaviate is an open source vector database that kind of lands right in the middle of the other two. It's way more than just a library, it's packed with features right out of the box, but it still gives you the choice to host it yourself or use their cloud service. Okay, we know who they are. Now let's really put them under the microscope and dig into a proper feature showdown. When we talk about Pinecone, the whole story is convenience. I mean, you're not managing any infrastructure. You're just hitting a clean API that works and scales automatically. It's tailor-made for teams that needed to ship a product like yesterday. The catch? Well, it's a paid service, and you're giving up some of that fine-grained control for the simplicity. Now, FAISS is the total opposite. It's a library, not a service. That means you are in the driver's seat for everything. You're setting it up, you're managing the hardware, you're building the API around it. What do you get for all that work? Raw, unfiltered speed and absolute control. It's free, it's open source, but yeah, it takes real engineering effort to get it ready for production. And this is where Weaviate really carves out its space. It's a flexible powerhouse. It's got these advanced tools like a GraphQL API and built-in hybrid search, which means it can search by keywords and vector meaning at the same time. This gives you a ton of power, plus the choice to self-host it or use their cloud offering. The trade-off here is that it's just more complex to get started with than something like Pinecone. So we've seen them solo. Let's see how they stack up side by side. This is where it gets really clear. This table just lays it all out, doesn't it? You've got Pinecone, the managed service, whose key strength is just pure ease of use, perfect for startups trying to move fast. Then you have FAISS, the library, all about high performance, the king for research and custom jobs. And then there's Weaviate, the future-rich open-source database, really aimed at enterprise and hybrid use cases. See? Each one has its own distinct lane. We've compared them. Now, for the million-dollar question, which one is the right champion for your project? Let's build a simple way to think about this so the choice becomes obvious. Okay, I absolutely love this analogy because it just makes everything click. Think of it this way. Choosing Pinecone, that's like using a managed service like AWS. You pay for convenience, it scales, it just works. Choosing FAISS, that's like building your own server from individual parts. You get ultimate power and control, but you're doing all the heavy lifting. And Weaviate, that's like a customizable platform, giving you a set of powerful tools and the flexibility to build what you need. So let's get super practical. When do you pick Pinecone? You pick Pinecone if you need to move fast. If your team's top priority is shipping a production-ready app, like a chatbot, right now, and the very idea of managing infrastructure makes you break out in a cold sweat, Pinecone is your answer. But on the flip side, you're going to want FAISS if you are a total performance junkie. If you're doing massive offline data processing for a research paper, or you need to squeeze every last drop of speed out of a custom-built system, and you love having control over every single knob and dial, FAISS is the undisputed king. And finally, Weaviate. This becomes your champion when your project's got some complexity to it. Let's say you're building an enterprise search system that needs to filter by customer data and do semantic search. That's where Weaviate's hybrid search and powerful features really start to shine.
So after all of that, what's the one big thing you should walk away with? Let's boil it all down.
The most important thing to remember is there's no single best vector database. There just isn't. The best tool is the one that lines up perfectly with what you need. It all comes down to that classic engineering triangle. Are you optimizing for speed of development, raw performance, or total control? So really, don't look at this as some overwhelming choice. Look at it as an opportunity. The perfect tool for your vision is right there, waiting. Figure out what you need, pick your champion, and get back to what you love doing. Now, go build something awesome.